Okay, I'm here today at Mr. Smith's property here in Rose Lake. It's an ATR. We're gonna go ahead and do Smith Rose Lake community. I got a shingle here that I was trying to climb up and I stepped on the tab. Slid right off of my feet. So we're gonna go ahead and use this shingle as a attempt to repair. As you can see, there's no damage, shingles whatsoever. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. So here, this is the shingle I'm gonna replace. I have another shingle right there. Also, there's a spatula to remove all the shingles. I wanna use seal so I can remove the nails properly, and I can properly remove this shingle from its spot. Once I'm done removing the seal, I'm gonna go ahead and use the snake tool to remove the nails from the shingle and remove the shingle and replace the shingle with a new one there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I am on a steep roof. This whole roof is steep. It's 12 on 12 all the way around. There's nowhere else I can actually stand and do this. So I'm gonna try my best to get this done. It's super windy. My pitch out with me, so I'm trying my best here. You guys can do these instead of requesting for them. Let's do this. That's another one. Is some more wind, and this. Look, all these teeth are off their seal. This is definitely wind damage already. That one's off its seal too. It's not being forced. We get another strong wind. These things are going to get damaged, and we're going to have some more wind damage on the property. So let's go ahead and prove to you guys. Let this in. Let's make it. Jeez, the whole shingle is like that. Now I gotta remove up here from my higher angle so I can remove this nail, this shingle. Let me see. Okay, I got it. Woo! Let me see. Yeah, still got a couple of them. All right. Woo. Ah, man. Hey, this thing is steep. Another one. right. I think that should be it. More than okay. Woo. Chilly out here. Windy. Well, there you go. Got the shingle off. As you guys can see, try to be as gentle as I possibly can. Once again, I'm on a steep roof. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and record myself sliding the new shingle in. Try not to be as forceful. Try to be as gentle as I possibly can. All the fasteners properly, it should be a piece of cake. There you go. Piece of cake. All right. Bag. My ankles are about to give up. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the snake tool so I can properly fasten these shingles in. So I try not to force the shingle up while I'm nailing it. I'm just lifting it up as much as I can so the nail can get to the nail zone, and then we just fasten it in. There you go. There we go. Want to do it as quick as I can. There you go. Alright, so I'm done fastening the shingles. As you guys can see, I recorded myself throughout the whole process. It wasn't being forceful whatsoever. Not only was I able to prove to you guys that this shingle is non-repairable, it did crease while repairing. I also caused indentments on the shingle similar to hail while using the snake tool. So there's definitely no way I can repair this shingle without causing more damage to it. So this is a fail ATR. Oh man, let's go. Damage all over. Let's get it.